Hi there! Oh, the lighting is really bad. It's been raining the entire day, but I wanted to film today. But what I did is I filmed how I'm applying liquid lipstick as eyeshadow right here. This kind of a pinky nude shade. And I also want to try using the same liquid lipstick as blush. But I have seen this video going around. I didn't save it, but it just stuck into my mind. I don't even know the creator, but basically the person in this video just mixed liquid lipstick with foundation and applied it as a cream blush, and that's what we're doing today. I think this is also going to create a really nice monochromatic look, so we're really going at it. I didn't apply foundation in such a long time. I don't have foundation on my skin right now, but I will mix a bit of foundation with my liquid lipstick and we'll see how it goes. I do have here the Dior Backstage foundation and the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Crush. Judging by the shade, I think I could apply this right away without mixing it, but I'm afraid that it's going to dry a little too fast and look a little too patchy. So we're going to do the foundation mix on my hand first. I think that's a little bit too much though. Like that. Well, wow. But this is turning really cute. Might be just a tiny bit too light or not, because I'm really pale. Let's see how it goes. I will try to use my fingers, but I do have a sponge here just in case it doesn't blend with my fingers. Let's see. Oh my god, that is really pretty. What? Why didn't I think of this before? And since it's a liquid lipstick, I'm also thinking that it will be so long lasting because it dries matte. But that is such a pretty shade, and it also works so well with the rest of the makeup. And I will obviously apply this as liquid lipstick as well, and not just blush and eyeshadow. Okay, this is an instant love. I have to build it up a little bit on this side. Oh, it's so nice when you build it up too. What? This is such a nice technique, especially if you don't own a cream blush, which for the longest time I didn't, and everyone was applying cream blush and I was like, oh, I want a cream blush. This is lovely. I feel like this could also be so nice for traveling if you don't want to bring too many products with you, but you have foundation and liquid lipstick. If you do wear foundation, of course, because if you don't want to carry a foundation rather than carrying a cream blush. I think, especially in my case, my cream blush is a little bit smaller than my foundation. So these days I wouldn't carry my foundation with me because I don't really wear foundation that much, but if you do wear foundation and you want to save up some space, I feel like this is a really great technique and it works beautiful. I really love it. I wish the lighting was a little bit better. I hope it looks good on camera, because in real life it looks amazing. Because of the bad lighting, the contrast might be a little bit too high on my camera. This is lovely, you should try it. I'm in love. Whoever that creator was, thank you. Plus it also creates a lot of harmony if you wear, like how I did here, the liquid lipstick on the lids, on the cheeks, and I will also apply it on the lips. Wait a second, I will show you the final look. I finished up the lips and this is the look. I really love how everything just matches, the eyes, the cheeks, and the lips. If you want to see how I use this liquid lipstick as eyeshadow, make sure you subscribe so you won't miss it out, because I'm going to upload that video after this one. That's it. I want to thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope you're having an amazing day and I will see you next time. Bye!